How to claim Robux and please donate. This tutorial shows you how to set up your stand and start earning Robux from donations on Roblox. First, open Roblox on your Android device and search for Please Donate in the search bar. After that, tap on the game and tap Play to join the server. From there, once you're inside the game, look around for an unclaimed stand. At this point, walk up to an empty stand and tap on it to claim it as your own. In the next step, once your stand is claimed, you'll be prompted to display your game passes on it. Following this, select the game passes you've created from your Roblox account to put them on display at your stand. Once done, your stand will now be visible to other players in the server, showing your game passes and their prices. From here, other players can walk up to your stand and browse through your displayed passes. At this stage, whenever a player decides to support you and buys one of your passes, the Robux will be sent directly to your Roblox account. Finally, make sure to stay in the server and keep your stand active, as the more players that pass by, the higher your chances of receiving donations. Keep in mind that you need to have at least one game pass created on your Roblox account before you can display anything on your stand. You can create game passes through the Creator section on the Roblox app or website. And that's it! If this Roblox guide helped you start earning Robux and please donate, give it a like, subscribe for more gaming tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.